How to turn on flashlight by double tapping iPhone. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now, tap Touch. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Back Tap. Here, you'll see two options, double tap and triple tap. If you've already assigned double tap to another action, like taking a screenshot, you can leave it as it is. Instead, tap triple tap. Scroll through the list of actions and select Flashlight. That's it. Your iPhone is now set up. Go back to your home screen and simply triple tap the back of your iPhone. The flashlight will turn on instantly. Triple tap the back again and the flashlight will turn off. And that's it. That's how you can turn your iPhone flashlight on or off by double tapping or triple tapping the back of your device. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.